What's up guys, Larza here, back with another review. What I've got here for you today is an Arkon 11-inch camera tripod mount for Canon, Sony, Nikon and Samsung cameras. I picked this up on Amazon for the hefty sum of $15.95. And here it is, it comes in a little pouch like this. Little neat, little nimble and brilliantly performing tripod. For all you budding YouTubers just starting out on a new channel, you need something inexpensive to get you started, mounting your camera and completing your films. You can't go wrong with this. It is really good. Excellent value for money. Attach all your cameras, and you even got one for a smartphone as well. And here's a smartphone image, and here you can see it's got a spirit level. Performs well, it's excellent, it's really good value for money. I cannot recommend this tripod highly enough. You can see the legs, bend the legs, you can put them in any position. They can wrap around the edges of poles, trees, gates, everything. It really is good. And as you can see, you can attach your SLR camera quite happily to this tripod. It supports, I haven't got my lens on this at the moment, but it will support it, no problems. I'm not. As you can see, it's fully adjustable in all angles. But every position you want to put your camera, this can do it. It's excellent. And so with the added bonus of a spirit level, you know, you just can't go wrong. $15.95. Grab yourself one, guys. This is an excellent purchase. Highly recommended. I'll put a link in the bottom. Pick yourself up one of these, guys. Thanks for watching.